Hey, what's up folks? Welcome to your ninth data structure tutorial in JavaScript for the beginners. In this tutorial, we'll be discuss about stack concept in data structure. So stay tuned till the end of the video. Well, hello, my name is Atik Ahmed. I am here because I love to give the presentations. Beside all the details giving at my blog at cosec.com, more details also you can find me at my website atikahmed.com. So what is stack? A stack is a linear data structure which follows a particular order in which the operations are performed. The order may be LIFO, which stands for last in first out, or FILO, which stands for first in last out. So if I'm talking about a real-time example, think of an empty glass, and if we put some marbles in the glass, I can take out the marble from the glass which I can put at last, right? So if we see this diagram, so you can see that whatever the data I'm putting in the glass or in the stack, that data I can take it out at first itself, like last in and first out. So whenever I'm pushing the element in the stack, we call it as a push, and whenever we are removing the element from the stack, we call it as a pop. Alright, so let's do the visualization first in order to get the better understanding. So let's create a stack now. In order to create, we can click on random. So you can see that the stack which holding the element of 85, 6, 29 and 7. So this thing of a glass, and if I wanted to, push the element in the stack. So say for example, I want to push 53, right? So the 53 will be pushed in the stack itself. So if I wanted to remove the element from the stack, I can click on pop and I can pop the number of 53 from the stack itself. Alright. So there are one more method called pick. The pick is basically, lets you know the last element of the stack itself. Alright. So let's go and do the hands-on coding now. So we can do this program using the array itself. Let's create a class by saying stack, and let's do a constructor which basically create a array, and let's create a method of push which takes an element, and this dot arr dot of push of data, and say return of this, and let's create a method called pop and say this dot arr dot of pop, and say return of this, and let's create a method called pick and say let of element is equal to this dot arr dot of length minus of 1, and you can say here element is equal to this dot arr of elements and return of elements. So let's instantiate the class by saying var of new of stack and stc dot of push of, we are going to push 7, 29, 6 and 85. So 7, 6 and 85, and let's do push one more element called 43, and we'll do st dot pop, and at last we are gonna say console dot of log stc dot of pick. Alright, so if I run this, so I think I need to return like this. So if I do practice stack, so I'll get the 85. So let's create a method called display, which basically used to return this dot the arr, and let's print the display method as well. So if I run this, so you can see that my stack is having right now 7, 29, 6 and 85, which is 7, 29, 6 and 85, and I have already popped the element of 43. So if I do pop one more time, so I'll be getting 7, 29, 6 and the peak element will be 6 itself. Alright, in this tutorial we have discussed about stack concept in data structure. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed this playlist. I'm gonna see you in the next tutorial where we'll discuss about queue in data structure. If you are watching this video on Facebook, don't forget to like my page. And if you are watching this video on YouTube, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel to get more video updates. Thank you guys.